all like this makeup look, Stylevana was sweet enough to reach out to me and send me a bunch of makeup products that I will be trying in this video for you right now. So keep on watching. Welcome or welcome back. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review. A representative from the company, Stylevana, they have a whole lot of different products on their website, including makeup. So when they reached out to me and wanted to send me some products, I of course requested makeup since I love makeup so much and I love trying out new products. I've seen them around, so I was super excited to film this video. So let's jump right into it. Really quickly, I have the fan on because it's like 1,000,000 degrees in this room. It's summertime, what do you expect? So I already did my brows partly and I'm gonna finish it up with the products that they sent me. So let me get into the first product. It is the ARTLESS GLOW BASE from heimish. And this glow base gives a luxurious, glossy, bright, and natural radiance effect as a soft and finely shining pearliness formula. So using clean fingers, you just apply a small amount all over the face, or you can use this alone for a healthy glow. For me, since I have oily skin, I'm mostly gonna focus this on the tops of my cheeks and maybe a little bit on my forehead. That's where I'm gonna focus it. So I'm gonna take a dime size amount. It smells good. Oh, it really does. And I'm just gonna focus it right here. I'm just gonna pat it. Oh, do you see that glow? Do you guys see that? Look. So I'm just gonna focus it here. I'm gonna focus it here. I'm gonna put a little bit here, just a little bit. Oh, I love the glow that it gives. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit right under my... This would be perfect also for like a brow bone highlight. Oh, that looks so pretty. Do you guys see that? That looks so pretty. I absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna put on my foundation, concealer, powders, all of that off camera since I don't have any from Stylevana, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so now I have foundation, concealer, all of that on, powder. Now I'm gonna just touch up my brows a little bit with the Macqueen New York My GYEOL-FIT Tint Brow in deep brown. Just gonna touch. Ooh, look how the applicator looks. It looks different. Ooh, this color is like so dark. Ooh, I love it. At first I thought it wasn't gonna be too deep, but now I can see it's like really deep. This is also perfect for a day that you don't really want to do too much to your brows, and maybe if you already have like really pretty brows. Me, I don't, so I have to do them, and it takes like 57 years to do my brows, so I have to do the whole pencil and all that stuff and then use this on top. But this is really pretty. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. And a lot comes out. This creates like hair-like stroke. See, so it's like very light, which I like. That helps your brows to look more natural. It's really good. And it's very dark, so that's excellent. And just go in with a little bit of brow gel. All right, now let me go in with some eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is usually my favorite part of the makeup process. I absolutely love eyeshadows. Now this here is a contour kit. It's the I'm Multi-Square from iMimi, all about contouring. The shade is 001, but I'm gonna use it a little bit just to contour my eye and give it some dimension. So I'm gonna mix 2 shades. All right, let me just grab the deepest shade first on this fluffy brush and just contour the eye just a little bit. Just before I go in with the actual eyeshadows that I'm gonna use, I'm just gonna create a little bit of dimension. Just a little bit. It's really, really subtle. This is a contour palette, so I'm gonna use it on my face too, but I just wanted to do this a little bit first, just to create a little bit of dimension to the eye. And then I'm gonna go in with my other brush and go in with that same deep color. There it goes. I think this brush is picking it up better. The other brush was too fluffy. It was good, but it was a little too fluffy. See? Just a pinch. One more brush and focus it here on the socket. I just want the outer part to be a little bit dark. Now I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow palette. It's the Heimish glitter eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. And these glitters are super, super pretty. But I'm gonna take this dark shade first. It's like a dark brown, and focus that on the outer corner part. And just blend it in. And I'm gonna keep doing that until I get the desired effect that I want. There isn't much fallout from these eyeshadows. I will say that, like, there isn't really that much fallout from them. They seem to hold color pretty well. I love eyeshadow palettes like this because they're very, very subtle and natural, but they still give you a very, very pretty look, and you can build them up to the desired look that you want. So I really, really love that. And now I'm gonna go in with, which glitter should I use? This one is really, really pretty. It's like a coppery tone color. So I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit. Just a pinch. I'm gonna take it. And this looks really pretty. Do you see? Also, I linked all of the products that were sent to me down below, so make sure you check out the description box and click on the link to purchase any of these products that you see here today, or any on their website. They have so many different products on their website, so make sure you check them out. Look at this color. Oh, it is so stunning. And I felt like the more I put on, the more you can build it up. It's so pretty. Oh my God, I'm gonna love this palette. I'm gonna use it all the time. Y'all know how much I love glitter, and if you don't know how much I love glitter, hi, I'm Lizette. I absolutely, absolutely love glitter and shimmers so much. I'm a glittery, shimmery girl. And none is falling down. None are falling down on my face either. Oh, look how pretty this looks. I'm gonna zoom in up close to show you all how my eyes look. So pretty. I could just keep on applying it. I feel like it really makes the contacts that I'm wearing pop. I'm gonna go back in with the contour and just touch up the outer edge of my eye. Like that. And this. Just so it all blends together. I'm gonna do the bottom. So I put the liner. I'm going to put this on my waterline and a little bit on the lash line too. And then I'm going to smudge it out. It's very, very stiff. Usually when I put on cream liners, I like them to be really, really soft and creamy, especially because, you know, the under eye is a very, very delicate area. And then I'm gonna blend it out with some of it. Brush and a little bit of the dark brown eyeshadow powder. So freaking pretty. So pretty. I love this look. Now I'm gonna put on the 4D mascara and just gonna put a little bit on the top. Okay, finished putting on the mascara, so I'm gonna pop on my lashes and be right back. Look at the eyes. Stunning. Stunning. All right, now for the very last product, the Macqueen New York Air Cotton Tint in the color red, number 1. This is for the lips. Supposed to be a nice lip tint. It smells so good. Let me try it. Ooh, yeah. It's a lip tint, so I don't think it's gonna be that, do you know what I mean? Like, it's not gonna be like an actual red lipstick all bold and bright. Probably should have had a lip liner with this, but ain't nobody got time for that. It's very soft and it's very light. Okay, let me put a little bit of lip gloss on top. Okay, here's the final look. Now let me wrap this video up. So I loved all the products that Stylevana sent me. Thank you so much for sending me these products, Stylevana. I truly had a whole lot of fun playing around with these products, from the eyeshadow palette, contour kit, everything. I pretty much loved all of the products. The only one that I wasn't so crazy about was the Lux Gel Eyeliner in the shade Dark Brown number 2. That was the only one that wasn't really my favorite, only because the pencil was a little too hard, but everything else I absolutely loved and will continue to use. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you check out the description box, which has the links to all of the products that I use. Thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending me these products. I had fun using them, and you all know how much I love trying makeup products or trying new makeup products. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, the Lux Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 3 days a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Thank you all so much again. I will check you out in my next video. Bye, guys.